This investment vehicle can double, triple, or even quadruple your money every year without any work, skill, or financial know-how. In the complex world of investing, there is one passive income strategy that's quickly risen to the top, and that is copy trading. What is copy trading? Copy trading is a relatively new investment tool used in the world of online trading, allowing investors to copy the trading actions of the most experienced and professional traders around the world. Essentially, every time the selected trader makes a trade on their trading account, the same trade is made automatically in the copier's account with an amount of risk proportional to their investment. So, here's why copy trading is the best investing strategy of all time. Number 1. Perfect for beginners and busy bees. Instead of spending time on the charts, reading financial news and market data, beginners can leverage the expertise of successful traders. Similarly, for those with jam-packed schedules, copy trading is a godsend. Require minimal active involvement while maintaining the potential for solid returns on autopilot. Number 2. Access to proven strategies of top traders. One of the key benefits of copy trading is the direct access to multiple trading strategies of experienced traders. Platforms offering copy trading typically provide a leaderboard of sorts, ranking traders on their performance, risk level, and other investors' reviews. This transparency not only builds trust, but also allows less experienced individuals to connect with seasoned traders, tapping into a pool of trading strategies and expertise. Number 3. Diversification made simple. For most individual investors, achieving effective portfolio diversification can be complex. However, copy trading simplifies this process. By copying different traders, specializing in various markets, and using diverse strategies, investors can achieve a level of diversification that might be difficult to obtain by their own, helping spread risk and increase the potential for returns. Number 4. Learning while earning. Copy trading is not just a passive investment strategy, it's also an educational goldmine. By observing the strategies of experienced traders, novices can understand the market trends, the art of timing, risk management, and much more, all while their money is at work. This dual benefit of learning while earning makes copy trading an exceptional attractive option. Number 5. Scalability and control. With copy trading, investors can decide how much they want to invest, and they can usually start with a small amount of capital. They maintain control over their investment and can stop copying a trader at any point. This scalability ensures the investors can increase their investments as they become more comfortable with their strategy. As good as copy trading is, there are some negatives. While copy trading offers several attractive benefits, there are also some notable drawbacks to consider. Number 1. Dependency on expert traders. Copy trading creates a dependency on skills and strategies of other traders. Your investment success is directly tied to their performance. And if they make poor decisions, or their strategy suddenly becomes less attractive, your investment suffers as well. Number 2. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Even if a trader has impressive track records, there is no guarantee that their future trades will be successful. Markets are unpredictable, and various factors can turn a previously winning strategy into a losing one. Number 3. Risk profile differences. The risk tolerance of the trader you are copying might not match your own. If you're not careful with selecting a trader whose risk level aligns with yours, you may find yourself in an uncomfortable position during market volatility. Number 4. Platform reliability. The effectiveness of copy trading is also dependent on the reliability of the platform that you're using. Technical issues such as server downtime or software glitches can affect trade execution and management. Also, depending on the platform and market conditions, there might be a slight delay in the execution of the copy trades, which could result in, different entry prices and potentially less favorable trade outcomes. And now you might be thinking, you know what, Joe, the positives outweigh the negatives, but what are the best copy trading platforms there are out there today? From my own experience, copy trading platforms such as eToro, CTrader, Pelican Trading all work quite well. There are many other copy trading platforms available. However, make sure you do your own due diligence before using any platform. It is important to remember that all investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Investors should consider their objectives and risk carefully before investing, ensuring that they understand the strategies of the traders that they are copying. But for those who are ready to dive in, copy trading can be a powerful compounding tool in their journey towards financial growth and independence. If you like the sound of copy trading and compounding your money, subscribe to the channel and check out this episode here to find out what other passive compounding assets to diversify your investment portfolio.